Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have my IPSY bag. Look at how freaking cute this bag is for Halloween, October. Oh my gosh, and it's purple. Y'all know I love me some purple. It is so flipping cute with all of the little Halloween things on it. I love it so much. It's super cute. And it's flat. I took everything out of it already. And I think I used all but one item in the box. It's already on my face. It's how I created this look. So let's get on into it, and I will show you what I've got and how I applied it. As always, the bags come with these little cards. This is Halloween. And then it tells you about what's coming in November, which is our next celeb curated Glam Bag X drop is VIUJUH. VIUJUH? And then on the inside we have Ghoulishly Good Glam. So the item in the bag that I did not use, which was my first choice, and I'll put a picture here of what my choices were. I was not overly crazy with the choices that they gave me, but I got these Dew of the Gods Under Eye Vulnerizing Collagen Pads, and these are my absolute 100% all-time favorite under eye pads. I love them, love them, love them. They are like a gel on one side and they have like a felt on the other. They're dry. They stick to your eye, and I wear them to bed at night. When I get up in the morning, they are still on my eyes, and my eyes look very hydrated and very nice. I love these. And these retail for $20. One moment, please. Yes, they retail for $20, which is a good deal because I think there are 10 pair. Yes, there are 10 sets in here. And these, they're high polymer hydrogel. And they've got collagen, aloe vera, another word I can't say, virginana, and vitamin C. They are really, really good. Really good. I love those. So that was my first choice. And then I believe that the next item came with the bag. It was not a choice, but this is the Complex Culture Filter Out Anti-Pollution Face Primer. This is what the component looks like. It went on my skin really well, but it just made my face feel smooth. It didn't feel sticky or like it was gripping in any way. I really did like it. It says pollution proof your skin. Hydrate, prime, and neutralize pollution with this protective face primer. Antioxidant rich, barely there barrier to help shield skin from invisible stressors like free radicals and daily pollution. Create a long-lasting, pore-blurring base for everyday makeup that leaves the skin feeling silky, nourished, and ready for the day ahead. And like I said, it went on really easy. It did not feel sticky. It did not pill up on my skin, so it didn't interact badly with my skincare. And as you can see, all of the rest of my face products are still on my face. It is currently 10:51 at night. The video that you see of me applying my makeup was done this morning at 7 a.m. So this makeup has stayed on really well all day, and I credit part of that to this face primer. So I really do like it. Did I tell you how much this cost? This retails for $28 and it is 30 mils. So this is a full size. Really did like that. And then of course I put on my bronzer. And then my second choice, as you can see here in the picture, there's that nail polish that I got last time. They're offering it again, that Pearl Nova. It was awful. I did not like that nail polish at all. Do not recommend. So out of all of those products, I went with the LYS Beauty blush because I have one of their cream blushes and I Love the LYS products. This is really good. This is in the shade Inspire. And as you can see here, I'm taking the brush and applying it, which is not a super good choice. You're better to take for me, I'm better to take a makeup sponge, a damp makeup sponge, and apply it that way. But it didn't do bad going on with the brush. I just kind of smoothed it out with my fingers, and then it kind of dries down to a powdery form, and I was able to smooth it out. And I actually, did I tell you how much that was? I believe that blush is $16. I am all over the place. I have no clue what I'm doing. It's like doing my very first video. So the brushes that I'm using, I believe, were my third choice. Yes, they were. You can see here, this was my third choice options, and I went with the MOTD, which is Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Manifest Face Brush Set, and that would be these. They are so pretty with their little black glittery handles. This is a F777 and this is an F555. And this looks like, kind of like a kabuki, but it also looks like it could be a stippling brush. They're very nice, very soft. I really like their brushes. They came with the little brush boots and in their little package. And these brushes retail for $25. They were really nice. I really liked them. Love the blush, and as you can see, the blush has lasted all day. It stayed right where it was supposed to all day long. Even with me touching my face, which apparently I do a lot. And the last item in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for October is this Fall Edit eyeshadow palette from Estate Cosmetics. This palette came with the bag. It was not a choice, and it retails for $22. It is a very pretty little palette. Look at how pretty that is. I really liked it. It went on super easy. You can see it's just blending out effortlessly. And the shimmers, I had a little bit of trouble putting those on with a brush, with my finger. The thing that worked putting those on is the sponge. You know, those cheap ass sponges that we get in our cheap palettes. The ones that we all throw away now that we have brushes and such things. This did amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Dion. That's perfect for Halloween. Thank you, Dion, for that's work. Work is texting me and my phone is laughing at me. Work is texting you. Dion from Dion Loves Makeup told me, and several others, Andy from Andy Does Stuff, and Ash from Makeup and Chaos, to try these. Got them off of Amazon. They work like a freaking dream. I will have them listed down in the description box. In case you're interested, you get a whole pack of them for like $7, super cheap, but they did a phenomenal job. There's the familiar. Anyway, my phone will probably laugh again. I had to stop and see what the heck work wanted. Anyway, I really enjoyed this palette. It's really nice. It went on nice and easy, and as you can see, it stayed on all day. I didn't have any problems with it. Very nice, neutral palette. Love this pop of orange, which I didn't use. I did use the rose, as you could see. Very nice fall palette. I really did like that. So those are all the items in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for October. The total value of my bag came to $111, and I signed up for IPSY for a year. I pay $24.89 because I signed up for a year. That's with free shipping. I think $111 is the absolute lowest bag value that I've ever gotten. Not that I'm mad at it, because I really like everything that I got. I'm going to use everything and keep it all, so I'm super happy with it. Let me check my phone one more time. People fighting over firewood. Who would have thought? Anyway, that's my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for October, and lots of cackling from my phone, which is perfect for Halloween. Thank you for hanging out with me while I did my little work. While I did my little look for work this morning early, because now it's after 11. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to do the gods for your under eyes, and it'll hide the glare when you're fishing so you can see the fish, and it'll get rid of the puffies so you don't look like a puffer fish. Okay, so wear your do it gods. That's your makeup tip from your mama. Mama loves you, boo.